Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a matrix rating scale question in Surveymonkey quickly and easily. First, log into your Surveymonkey account and open the survey you want to edit. Click on the Design Survey tab to start adding questions. Next, find the spot where you want the matrix question and click plus New Question. From the list of question types, choose matrix/rating scale. After that, enter your question text. Something like, how satisfied are you with the following services works well. Now add your items to be rated. These will be your ROWs, like customer support, website navigation, and product quality. To complete the setup, define your rating scale. These are your columns. Use options like very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, and very satisfied. You can also choose how responses are selected, either one answer per row using radio buttons or multiple answers using checkboxes. Want deeper insights? Add weights to each scale point, like assigning values from 1 to 5. This helps with data analysis later. Before you finish, mark the question as required if you want every respondent to answer it. Then click Save, and that's it. You've just added a matrix rating scale question to your survey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.